want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we're going to leave you with this timeless song of emigration, Paddy's Lament, from Sinead O'Connor.
I'm going to say a quick prayer that God will bless our beautiful country and help our beautiful people, and that those who feel they have to leave can come back soon, and those who want to leave will have a great time. Well, it's by the hush me boys, and that's to mind your noise, and listen to poor Paddy's sad narration. I was by hunger stressed and in poverty distressed, so I took a thought I'd leave the Irish nation. Well, I sold me horse and cow, my little pig and sow, my father's farm of land. I then departed, and me sweetheart bid me gee, I'm afraid I'll never see, for I left her there that morning, broken-hearted. Hear ye, boys, now take my advice, to America I'll have yous not be coming. There is nothing here but war, where the murdering cannons roar, and I wish I was at home in dear old Dublin. Well, I think myself in luck if I get fed on Injun guck, and old Ireland is the country I delight in. To the devil I would say, God curse America, for in truth I've had enough of your hard fighting. Hear ye, boys, now take my advice, to America I'll have yous not be coming. There is nothing here but war, where the murdering cannons roar, and I wish I was at home in dear old Dublin. I wish I was at home. I wish I was at home. I wish I was at home in dear old Dublin.